Hello everyone, I welcome you all in the learning of Learning is Fun with Google. This is our very first session where we are going to learn about how to create Gmail account and how to manage it. The best thing about Gmail account is that you are going to use this Gmail account with all services provided by Google. So let us begin. The very first thing which you will do is type this gmail.com and press Ctrl Enter. You will be directed to Gmail website. Now because this is your first time you are accessing Gmail, we have to first of all create the account. हमें सबसे पहले गूगल पे अकाउंट क्रिएट करना है, तो उसी के लिए हम पहले करते हैं साइन अप. You will get this page when you go in Gmail account page. Now because you do not have any account, you will go to create account tab. Once you click here, there are two options available for myself and to manage my business. Right now we will go with for myself option. Now here you are going to provide your details. I have entered first name, I have entered last name, and I have provided choice of my Gmail account by which I want my username. So Nidhi Ruparel 1331 is the choice I have put up. It might happen that this particular username is not available, but we will see it. Now password, the need is you have to provide the password of length 8 characters. So this is how you can provide password, and this is the button which will allow you to see what password you have entered, and you can see it. So it will be easier for you to remember your password. You write it down, then only you confirm it. Make sure you do not save your password on your messages or your phone. You make it sure that you write it in your diary. For security reasons, it is better to maintain your password in your notebook only, which is there with you. So I have typed this password where I have used special characters, capital letters, small letters and numbers. So we will proceed further. Now it is asking me for phone number. So I will enter my number. Enter your phone number, press next. Now verification code is sent over my phone. I have entered it. The number will be verified. It is asking me for date of birth. So Google needs date of birth and gender. This is not mandatory field, but birth date is mandatory, so as to make sure that some Google services have this age criteria. To fulfill it, it has to be entered. If you want, you can provide recovery email address, but that is optional. आप उसे देना चाहते हैं तो दे सकते हैं ताकि रिकवरी के लिए आपको आसान हो जाए, बट अभी के लिए तो फ़ोन नंबर है इसलिए कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी. एंड क्लिक ऑन नेक्स्ट. So instead of going to these options, right now we will click on skip, and we have to read these conditions. Once you read it, पढ़ना ज़रूरी है एक बार, और उसके बाद आप प्रेस करते हैं आई एग्री ऑप्शन पर. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि मेरा अकाउंट क्रिएट हो गया है. Inbox, this is the place where you will receive your emails. Now you have got other option of send. So here whatever messages you are going to send, they will be saved. While typing some text in your compose mail or while reading some contents from your mail, if at all you exit in between abruptly, those mails will be saved in drafts. So this is the first mail of mine which I have received from Google. This is the select option by which you can select your mail, and these are different options for it. So right now you remember just delete option, which will allow you to delete mail if it is not necessary. Now we will see how we can again sign in. So right now I am signing out of my account. So I am signing into my account. Already account name is given. Now I am entering password. If you want, you can make it sure that you have entered correctly, and you can see it with the help of this show password button. Okay, otherwise if it is disabled, so it will be displayed in dots. So we are going to send this very first mail to Kanchan madam, and this is our test mail to check whether it reaches properly or not. So this is how I am typing the text. In corporate, this is the practice that you can add your name and regards every time you send a mail. So I will say regards Nidhi. So every time she sees my mail, she is going to see this. But you know, I have to type it. हर बार हमें उसे टाइप करना पड़ता है, तो क्यों हम उसकी जगह ऐसा कोई टेक्स्ट ऐड कर सकें कि जिसकी वजह से हमेशा ये ब्लू मार्क टेक्स्ट हमें मिले. तो ऑप्शन इज सिग्नेचर. आई विल शो यू हाउ वी कैन ऐड इट. So we will minimize this test mail, and you can go here in this settings bar, then you go to this see all settings option. You go down, other options we will see one by one, but at this moment we want signature to be added. So can you see this signature option is there. There is no signature right now. अभी कुछ भी हमने ऐड नहीं किया है, तो हम एक नया सिग्नेचर बनाते हैं. तो ये हमारा पहला सिग्नेचर है, इसलिए हम उसे एक नाम देते हैं. वी कैन ऐड मल्टीपल सिग्नेचर्स, दैट इज वाई नेम इज नेसेसरी. सो वंस आई ऐड दिस सिग्नेचर, now here I will write the text. So this is how you can write the text which you want to add. Now there are fonts available to it, so I am setting this font. You can see the change. I can set the size of the text. Right now I will keep it as normal. You can make it bold, italic, you can underline it. So the next option is text color. If you click here, you will find out two options, background color and text color. It is better we go with the text color, otherwise the whole background will be colored and we do not want that. So I have selected this pink color, and now you can see the reflection. Okay, so this is how I have added mail also. Now this is the first signature which I have created. We can create multiple signatures and we can use them at various places. हम अलग अलग जगहों पर अलग अलग signature use कर सकते हैं. तो अभी के लिए फॉर न्यू ईमेल हमारा सिग्नेचर है जो हमने अभी क्रिएट किया, एंड व्हेनेवर वी विल रिप्लाई तभी भी हम यही सिग्नेचर यूज़ करेंगे. अगर हमारे पास मल्टीपल ऑप्शन है तो हम कर सकते हैं. नाउ यू check on this checkbox, insert signature before the quoted text in replies and remove the dash line that precedes it. We will see the impact of this line when we send the mail. हमने चेंजेस कर लिए हैं और हम उसे सेव करते हैं. It has been saved now. आप देख सकते हैं कि जो ऑलरेडी हमने मेल कंपोज करने के लिए ओपन किया था उसमें चेंजेस रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं हुए हैं. सो आई विल क्लोज इट and I will start create. So we will compose the mail. Can you see the changes? It has been reflected. Now I have changed colors to different option. Now I will add recipient, the one whom I want to send the mail. This is normal simple test mail. So I will write the contents. I will write it here. I am just writing an informal mail, so I will write the text accordingly, and you can see there is this grammatical help available also. So the signature has been added, and now I will send the mail. So when the mail is sent, I can view it, I can undo the sending, and I will go here and will say view message. You can see this is how the mail will appear to madam, and when you go to send mail, you can see this is how she can see the subject which you have added, because the subject was not quite enough long. She can also see the contents which I have added. So this is how we send mail. Now we will try sending an email where we will add files also. We will try sending mail to madam again. Now my subject is I want to report her about my daily work. So I am typing the subject as daily work reporting, and here I will write, hello madam, kindly check the mail, and now I will attach the file. फाइल हम अटैच कर सकते हैं मेल में. हम कंटेंट्स पूरे यहाँ पे नहीं लिख सकते हैं बॉडी में, तो we will attach files. Now I will attach the file of my daily work and send it to madam. You can see the file is getting added and we can send it. So this is how madam will see the subject and also the files which I have attached. So this is how you can share your work with your team members. आप अपने टीम मेंबर्स के साथ अपना काम शेयर कर सकते हैं. आप वर्ड फाइल, एक्सेल फाइल, कुछ PPTs अगर आपने बनाए हैं तो आप शेयर कर सकते हैं अपने कलीग्स के साथ. तो ये है हमारा Gmail अकाउंट. The purpose of any email account is so that we can communicate with people at a time. With more than one person it is possible to communicate. It is very inexpensive. We just have to create the free account and you can start accessing your email. So you can communicate with your office people, you can communicate with your students, you can communicate with your friends, and you can share files. In next session we are going to talk about various ways of creating and sharing your work with other platforms which are provided by Google. So thank you. See you in the next session.